Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to activate your Shopify online store. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to our Shopify admin dashboard. Now we already created an online store right here, we just need to activate it using a plan. So click on settings right here, and then from in there you should be able to see the plan option right here. So click on plan. Then from in there, you should be able to see this trial. Now, if you're not in trial, that means your Shopify store is inactive. So what you can do is you can just head over and subscribe to a plan. And then from in there, you should be able to see the plan that is applicable for you. Like for example, this basic, the Shopify, and advanced. So just see their actual conversion or their actual description right here. As you can see, this basic is actually starts at $19 for the second one, and they have 5 features, while this starts at $49 and they have more, and this one starts at $299 and they have a lot of advantages for that. So you can always scroll down and click on this full list of features in order to see which one is applicable to you. You can click on this only show differences in order to filter everything that is different on them, and in here you can see that they have quite a difference in here. And as you can see, this doesn't have an additional sub account, while this have 5 and this have 15. So just choose which one is applicable to you and then subscribe to that specific plan. So for example, you want to choose basic, just click on select basic, and then from in there you just need to put in here your payment method wherein how you want to actually try to subscribe to this. So that's the whole process. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.